There are 4 different types of focus modes available to the Nikon Z line. Manual mode, which is self-explanatory. AFS, which you use most commonly with still photos, where you half press the shutter and it focuses once, and if the subject moves, you have to focus again. But then there's AFC and AFF, and what are the difference between those? It's simpler than you think. AFC is where you have to hold down the shutter halfway continuously to continuously focus. And then as soon as you let go of that half press, it will stop focusing. But AFF, autofocus full time, is where you don't have to press the shutter halfway at all. It will continuously focus no matter what. And that's perfect for vloggers like I'm doing right now, because you're not really going to have someone behind your camera after pressing the shutter button while you work, now will you? You want the camera to autofocus as you keep moving. So if you want full-time tracking autofocus, go for autofocus full-time.